So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you are self-employed and need to file your taxes, here's how to get started with TurboTax. Firstly, sign in to TurboTax and start your tax return. When asked about your income, select that you're self-employed or have business income. Enter your business information including your business type and the work you do, and then enter your self-employed income from your records and tax documents. TurboTax will then guide you through the common business expenses and deductions such as eligible supplies, advertising, and other business costs. Just review your business income and expenses carefully. TurboTax will use the information to calculate your applicable self-employment tax and other federal tax amount. Just continue through the remaining sections including personal income, deductions, credits, and any applicable estimated tax information. Finally, review your return for errors and follow TurboTax's instructions to file your federal and state return. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks if you like the video. I will see you on the next one.